Hi students, today question is if alpha is the degree of dissociation of sodium sulfate, the Vanta factor I used for calculating the molecular mass is option A 1 plus alpha, option B 1 minus alpha, option C 1 plus 2 alpha, option D 1 minus 2 alpha, right? So for this, first you have to calculate how many number of ions when sodium sulfate dissociated, right? So here Na2SO4, it is a sodium sulfate, it is undergoes the dissociation, it forms 2 Na plus ions plus sulfate ion, right? Now in this, total number of ions are 3, here 2, here 1. Now how many? 3. Okay, so for this we have a formula to calculate the factor. What is the factor? Want of factor. Okay, so it is a dissociation. For dissociation, want of factor is what? I is equals to 1 plus n minus 1 into alpha. Okay, so this is the formula. So here n equals to number of ions present after dissociation. Okay, so here you just substitute this value into this. Okay, so 1 plus, here how many number of ions? 3. Now it is a 3, n equals to, right, minus 1 into alpha. So 3 minus 1, that is equals to 2. So 1 plus 2 alpha. Okay, now want of factor for this question is what? 1 plus 2 alpha. Okay, now answer C. Thank you.